good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching us from. I am Engineer Abot Solomon, so from Ibadan Engineering Company based in Lagos State. So we are here in Sanyo in Ibadan, Oyo State, with our product fuelless generator to install it, which we have done. And this is 2 kVA fuelless generator. So we have powered this whole building. So let me start showing you one after the other how it works. So this is the kitchen. You can see the bulb is on. Now, so let's go to one of the rooms. So this is the bulb in the room. So this is also the toilet. So let's go to, you can see this is another room too, the second room. So you can see the light on. So you can, let's go to the toilet so that you can, this is also on. All the lighting is bright and shiny. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so let me show you, I want to power on the socket switch, which is the 220 volt, because this device is dual voltage. So so this is, I've on the switch now. If I come to the indicator in the front, so the light is on. So let's go to the socket to confirm our work. So this is the charger, this is socket. Let me plug the phone. So you can see the phone is powered on, it's charging. So let's look at the fan in the sitting room. This is the fan. So let me power the fan. Is even came with remote. So the flat, the house is being powered. So this system can run 24 hours without breaking down. So once again, we are from Ibadan Engineering Company based in Lagos State. Thank you. Oh, this is the whole building with power on with our 2 kVA.
This na the front of the house them. You see say na house way big brekete. The house na giant house. The bulb they shine proper for night for outside. No darkness allowed again in this house. This product they www.obarawoengineering.com them. If you log in there, type 2 kVA in the search engine, you go see all the list of the load where you go fit power, all the description they there. Now there you go see more details about the 2 kVA, even all the remaining kVA they there. Thanks for watching. See you next time.